So we have seen sample example of call by value, correct? So now let's understand how these values are created in, sorry, how these values are saved in the memory when these new variables are created. So for that, let me go to the Google Chrome, and this is the whiteboard I'm going to use here. Let's say this is my memory. Okay, consider this as my memory. So whenever a new value is created, new data type or new variable is created, int a equals to, we created 50, correct? And similarly, we have created int b equals to a, correct? So whenever we create this variable, it will go and save in this memory. In this memory it will save, and the variable name will be a, and the value 50 will be stored in this variable in the memory. And for this we will be having a reference like binary reference 1011 something like that. So whenever a value is stored in the memory, the value is copied to the variable and it will have some reference. Okay, so now next, when this int b is created, what happens there? A variable will be created here and it will be named as a b, and what happens, the value 50 will be copied here. Understand? Similarly, the third step what we have created, I have written like b equals to 100 something, right? B equals to 100. So when it executes this line, what happens? It will create, no, it will not create another variable because b variable is already assigned here, right? Already created here, correct? So in this b value, 50 will be removed and the 100 will be saved because I am updating the value b from a. What is a value here? 50. Okay, understand? Similarly, if you see here, this int a. So a variable a will be created in the memory and it will have value b, value 50. And int b, a b variable will be created in the memory and the a value will be stored in the b. Then third step, b equals to 100. Since we already having this b variable in the memory, it will delete the value 50 and it will update that with the 100. Understood? And the same thing will also happening when we pass value types to the methods. Value types to the methods means simple. What happens here is I will declare int variable and I will write one method here. It's a private static void I'm writing, and get new values. Let's say I'm writing like this int x. Since this is a void type, I will not have any return. I will not have any return type here. So what I will do is I will update this x equals to 200. Okay. So I need to call that value here, correct? Like get new values. I want to pass value a here. So this a value comes here, and I'm updating the value a to 100. Correct. So this is what you understand. Cw, I want to print a and console.readline. So can you tell me what will be printed on the console now? Will it print 50 or will it print 200? What it will print? Yes, Nizami. It will print 50 because I already told you that the value is copied. So when this get new values method is called here and I'm passing a variable a, only the value is copied to this x. Okay, so changing this variable x does not change the value of a. Understand? Correct? So it will print value 50 because the value is copied. So when this get new values method is called, this variable a is copied to this variable x. So changing this x will not change the variable a. Okay, you try to write the same in your machine and try to execute and see what the value of a is printed on the console screen. Okay.